The sun is finally out after a week of rain. It's so exciting. I think this means we're gonna have a good day at the Goodwill Bins. Let's go treasure hunting. All right, I'm told they just refilled these bins, so let's dig. Oh, I see a Santa. Oh man, it's just a squishmallow. Nothing vintage. Astronaut. I'm having tons of toys lately. Look, they just put these out, they're empty. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Oh, these boots are cute. 13, darn. Ren needs a size 2. She needs some new rain boots. All right, lots of DIY supplies. They've been having a lot from the Dollar Tree, this stuff. So I'm wondering if the dollar store maybe donated. I'm not sure. Things. Take those. All right, I'm gonna keep digging. I'll let y'all know if I find anything. Still digging. Haven't found very much. Lots of shoes and toys, but they are emptying that side right now. So hopefully they'll refill it with some goodies. Oh, here's lots of frames. I really don't need any more frames. They might have some pretty art. Some pink florals. I think that's a print. It's not a painting. If it was a painting, I would get it. There are a bunch of prints. They're all the same size. This would be good if you want to do a gallery wall. All right, this is probably glass because they cover up the glass with t-shirts. Oh, y'all hear all the stuff breaking as they're dumping it. So I feel the need to rescue stuff. I like the shape of this. Oh, that's cute. Bobby's Pottery. Golden Garden. I like this. Here's a bin with some silver in it. Oh, this is cute. Little scalloped edge pedestal. This would be good to stage stuff on. I'm gonna grab that. And then these don't look like anything special. All right, add this to my cart over here. This is all I got in my cart so far, but we just got started. We're gonna keep digging. There was a lady that just came ask me, she's like, do you come here often? And she was asking the price, how they price stuff, and I'm like, oh Lord. That was a bin of breakable stuff. I was like, everything is cheap here. Don't worry about the price. Just have fun. And I'm like, do you know the rules? She said no. So I told her the rules of the bin. I said, I don't want you to get yelled at. She's like, oh, I appreciate it so much. All right, I'm going to dig. Oh, look at this frame. The navy blue with the wood. I don't care for the picture in it. Definitely an older piece. I love that frame. I know I said I don't need any more frames, so that one's too cool to pass up. Here's a brass one, but it has a dent and lots of chips in it. Not chips, what you call it? Scratches. Here's a little pie plate. What kind of pie is this for? Apple pie. I actually do not like apple pie or any kind of fruit pie. I only like pumpkin pie or corn pie. See any, oh wait, what is this? I think this is like a little Anchor Hawkins. Yep, I was correct. I just found this piece, no chips on it, marked Japan. This would be perfect to put in my floral and fancy sale I'm having in a few days. Don't worry, we are not done shopping, but I want to tell y'all about my fancy and floral whatnot auction. It is going to be Thursday at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, and just like the title says, it's going to be lots of items with florals, maybe a little bit of a spring theme, and also a little bit fancier. I don't know. I just like theming out my whatnot sales, and actually a lot of the items that we're going to find today at the Goodwill Bins, because the shopping trip is definitely not over, I'm going to put in the whatnot auction because I feel like it kind of fits the theme. And I have an amazing buyer's appreciation giveaway for y'all. So anybody that purchases during the auction or in the buy it now section is going to get an amazing box of floral, because I have new items coming in tomorrow. So you're not going to want to miss out. I should have them in the buy it now. And like I said, if you purchase something, you can enter the giveaway to win a whole box of floral. And if you do not know what whatnot is, y'all are missing out. It is an app where all day long they have different auctions going on. Anything and everything you could possibly be interested in. You're interested in floral? Guess what? They have live plants. People selling live plants, clothing, shoes, toys, home goods, beautiful vintage home decor. It's awesome. You've got to check it out. So if you're brand new to Whatnot, make sure you use my link in the description or the QR code on my screen, because you're going to get a $15 credit to use. So if you're watching this even at a later date, come over onto Whatnot, because I have sales every single week. Now let's get back to our Goodwill Bins thrifting adventure. Ooh, what is this brass piece? Oh, it's not one, but it is two of them. Two brass sconces just sitting here in these bins that have been out for a while. Yes, you are going in the cart. My cart is definitely having a moody vibe today. Ooh, vintage aluminum measuring cups. I love these. And then in the springtime, you could put little bird's nests in them and they look so cute. I see some goodies in here. Look at this blue spool. It's like a pretty periwinkle color. Ooh, little clothespins. Might need those. Add those to the cart. Oh, here's some more string. This one's small. Ooh, I know exactly what I could use that for. Actually, it's yarn, but you see how much smaller it is than normal yarn. We have a snowman that is broken. There's another little snowman. Oh, some more string. One for me, one for y'all. Put that in a little DIY box. Look, here's some more of these little things from the Dollar Tree. Ren already got a few the other day when she came with me. Look how pretty all of these three look together. So I'm not gonna get any more. What is this? Salt? I don't know. Ooh, this is cute. What is it? Oh, it's a bale. That is interesting. I like that. And bowls are in. Add that. It just needs to be cleaned up, or I might have to end up repainting it. Pumpkin. What are these plastic things? Oh no, they have a few of them. Cups. Here's a little fruit holder. I actually got me a fruit holder on TikTok Shop. It's so cute. I love it, and it fits lots of stuff. I need to post that video so y'all can see it. What is this thing? It's like a metal ball. Some grapes, squishmallow. All right, I think that's it. Did they refill the walls? Nope, they're still working on it. I've been digging through the new bins. I hadn't found too much till I got to here. I got this little glass jar. Look at this cutie. This is actually for my friend Lee. She's been collecting smalls. It has this on this side, but look, turn it around and it's just a cute little white cup. Is that a chip? No, I think that's just the imperfection in the glaze. And look at this beautiful oval plate, stamp made in the USA on the bottom. Heavy, nice quality, no chips on it. So these three pieces are coming home with us. I like this piece, but I think I'm gonna change this out for some pretty lace. Was $2.99 at the regular Goodwill. Ooh, they're rolling out some new bins right now. I spy some baskets. Ooh, what is this? Oh, that's cute. A little half hanging basket. These are fun to put plants in, or sometimes I make little vignettes with them. Some little doilies, some greenery, and maybe some spools. Let's see what else is in here. Large bowl. Some little trinkets in there. I don't think there's anything else here. So we're gonna take our basket and go dig in the new bins over there. Do y'all see what I see? This was not here a minute ago. An entire old bin of Coca-Cola bottles. Louisville, Mississippi, Jackson, Tennessee. These are super cool. You're probably gonna think I'm crazy, but I'm gonna leave them here because I actually have Coke bottles on my website that I've had for a while, and they just don't sell for me. And although this crate is cool, I think I'm just gonna leave this whole setup for somebody that wants the entire thing. So if you want this, come to the Goodwill Bins, pick them up. This one's Grenada, Mississippi. I like that it says where they're at. I think I have some from Sardis and Aberdeen, Mississippi. Another place in I believe Mississippi. So you can check my website for that. But yeah, I'm gonna leave these here. Waylon's at home sick and he asked me to bring him something cool. This is a square dinosaur with like the little tail. I think he's gonna think this is as cute and as funny as I do. So I'm gonna bring this home to Waylon. He loves it. I found this awesome guy right here. It's an old wooden horse, but it's missing its person. So I'm looking to see if I can find it and put it back together. Oh, look at this. This is the kind of stuff that makes me sad. How could somebody donate that? Happy Mother's Day from Noah. These are interesting. They're candles, little ducks and little teddy bears. And they have these pink ones and these green ones. I love these to put into little vignettes, but I've never seen animal shaped ones before. I did not find the top for this piece, so I'm gonna put that back, and I think I'm going to head out. I need to move on with my day, but I am very excited about all of the items that I got on today's thrifting adventure. So leave a comment below, let me know what is your favorite item that I got. I'll put a total on the screen of what I spent, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure.